All right. The chat, where's the chat? Here it is. It is supposed to be working, all right. Of the chat, all right. Perfect. Hi, guys. All right, so we're just gonna be doing some testing, right? Because I want to make sure that you can hear me well, and that you can, like, now you see nothing, but you're about to see something, right? Just I think that there's supposed to be a chat, and just tell me if you can see me. Entrez votre message. All right. Yo, what's up, guys? Already 54% just watching us. We're gonna wait a couple more minutes. If you could just, like, I think you can hear me, right? Cool, 60% already. Jump in there, guys. I will put some music before we begin because I cannot live without this music. All right, activity parkour. All right. I know I'm late a little bit. It's just like we got some issue with going out, but now everything's all right. We're about to begin, and we're gonna be looking for some. What kind of music should I listen at? Ambiance, maybe. Acoustic summer. What is this? No, good vibe, maybe. All right, I can see already 80% are on. We're gonna wait 1-2 more minutes, then we're just gonna begin, right? I will share my screen now. We're gonna be PC, right? Here we go. TradingView.com. All right. So this is pretty much it. All right. Let me turn the volume down. Put something else. This ain't good. R&B maybe. All right, we'll put that. Cool, perfect, guys. So I would just like to welcome you guys. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Pierre Charles, captain speaking for the night. I'm happy to have you on my side for the night. We're going to be looking at some beautiful chart. We're going to be looking at some really mental, psychological part, because I think that this is a problem of a lot of people in the market, because you will actually understand that, like, trading is actually always the same thing. There's always, like, it's pretty easy. Like, look over there, like on US oil, I've put 2 line, a trend line, and like I know where the market's going, right? So, but we're still gonna see like some technical fact, right? First of all, we're gonna go on something else. Like, we're gonna go on Roquette, right? Perfect. Wait, I'm just gonna let it load. Wait a more minute. Perfect. Cool. So we're gonna do the chart over, but first of all, I want you to answer one question, right? What kind of trader are you? Like, are you gonna trade long term, short term, medium term? What kind of time frame do you want to play on? Are you more the kind of guy that want to play on the monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you're a beginner, you don't want to play shorter time frame. Why? It's riskier, right? The smaller the time frame is, the riskier it is, right? So a lot of people have been telling me, yeah, but Pierre, like, I want to make some quick money. You're probably gonna blow your account. like Forex trading is all about like patience and being constant. You know what I mean? So if you cannot be constant, you probably won't make it. So I always start with the monthly chart. Like when I actually used to like start trading, I was like playing like on smaller time frame, like 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart maximum. And you know what? Like I lost a lot of money in there because like if you cannot handle your monthly chart and understand that like the monthly is gonna affect the weekly, and the weekly, the daily, and the daily, the forward chart, and the forward chart, the 1 hour chart, and you know what I mean? Like till the 5 minute chart, then you're probably misunderstanding something, right? So this is why I want to really focus on the fact that like if you're a beginner or you have a like not that big of an account, like a lot of people are going to tell you, yeah, but if you have a small account, play like on smaller time frame. That's not actually true. Like it's actually going to depend how fast you want to grow your account. But trust me, if you play on a higher time frame, like the daily chart, you less risk because you're going to play with smaller lot and you're going to gain more pips. So for example, just look for like as a quick example, if I go on a daily chart and I put, for example, like a resistance level over there, like we can clearly see that there's a resistance level there, right? Me, I'm like, I have a small account, for example, and like I want to play safe, but I want to catch a lot of pips. Like a lot of people are going to tell you, yeah, but you should put like sell stop and buy stop and you react to the market. I'm going to be honest with you, and that's something that I will show you. You always want to play counter trend. Like a lot of people, like 95% of the people are going to tell you, yeah, but Pierre, like everybody is telling me like to play with the trend. But the thing is that it's riskier to play with the trend than against the trend. And this is what I'm going to be talking about. Like for example there, right? I have a resistance there, and a support and a resistance above, right? So here I would actually put a sell limit there because I know that when it's going to get there at this place, this level over there, like this, it's going to be reverse, right? Because it's a daily level. Like the market will never break a daily level like as quick as it's going to break like a 1 hour level and a forward level and a 15-hour level. So this is why I'm telling you, the higher the time frame is, the less risk you take. Because for example, I go then on the weekly chart, right? For example, I go on a weekly chart. I will do the same thing there. Boom. We can see that our level was actually a weekly level, right? We have a weekly level at this place, and we have another weekly level there, right? So I would have taken position around there, right? I would have put a sell over there, or even like if I look at the market like in the back, look, now this is the weekly chart. If I look at the forward chart into my weekly chart, look what happened. When it went at this level, it refused it and went back down. Same thing above. Look, it went there and then it crashed back down. Look here. Look how simple it is, right? Touch a level, then it just actually dropped. So this is why I'm telling you, like at first you should actually play on higher time frame because it's safer. Look, for example, I play with a micro lot of, I don't know, 0.01, and I take profit there. It's 262 pips within 2 days. So it means 26 bucks. So for example, that I have an account of 100 bucks, I actually made 25% of my account in 2 days. So this is why I'm saying, like, people that go with the trend. So like there's some people that would have been chasing like a sell stop there, like to make sure that the market's gonna reverse, right? For example, we go over there, right? Here, we wait. We see a candlestick pattern that reverse. I'm gonna sell. Like some people would have sell like there, right? And they would have take profit there. So they would have made like 144 pips. That's good. But their stop loss have to be 135 pips above. So does it really worth the risk? No, it does not. But when I put a sell limit over there, look, I'm just gonna put some arrow there. Look, if I put a sell limit there, I mean, my stop loss would probably have been like somewhere pretty there, right? At 150, 70 pips higher, right? And I'm gonna write down stop loss. So this would be my stop loss over there, okay? And then, I mean, it's exactly 68 pips above, but I gained 266 pips. So this is actually what I'm saying when I'm saying that like your gain is better when you counter trend, sorry. I have some English issue, right? I'm French. But you get the point. You know what I mean? And when like I'm talking about like that every chart influence every other chart. For example, look, we're actually gonna do a demo there, right? Horizontal line. Now we're on the monthly chart, okay? Pretty simple. So I'm gonna have a monthly level there, and now you're gonna ask me, yeah, but Pierre, like it went higher. Yeah, but look, it didn't break the level. It went back in it right after. So like the level is still valid. I like to put my monthly blue. So here's gonna be my first monthly level, right? Then I'm gonna put my other monthly level probably somewhere over there because I see that like the market is struggling at these levels. Look, there it went to it, went back up. Went to it, went back up. And look, and don't forget something. It's monthly level, right? So here we are in 2000, right? And the market still struggle at this level. So this is why I'm saying like the market always remember, right? So now like I could put some more, but like me, I just like to place like my monthly where the market is right now. You know what I mean? Because like there's something like 800 pips between those two levels. Then I move on to the weekly chart. So we can actually already see something, right? I could even draw like a trend line somewhere like this. Look, it's simple, right? And I like to put my weekly and monthly trend line red because I know it's a strong level. So like it will be a lot stronger. Look, my trend line. Wait, I had something like this. Right, I have something like that, right? So the screen is blurry. Yeah, I get it. It's laggy, right? Oh yeah, I think my internet connection cannot actually hold that many person. Wait, I think I have some issue. My internet connection isn't good. It's laggy. All right. Can you inbox me in the on the Telegram and tell me like if some people see good or it's really blurry a lot? I'm gonna try to figure out my link. Is it that blurry? Or it's not so bad. Well, I know that the connection isn't like beautiful, but it's better than it's better. Real blurry, yeah, real blurry. It's perfectly fine. Like some people are saying that it's blurry, some people are saying it's fine. Can you actually see? Because I know that like it's blurry because like my internet connection cannot hold that many people. You know what I mean? So I adjust the quality to 720p. I guess that you can lower down your quality from like 10. I guess it's in 1080. Just like lowered it. I can see clear. Cool. So well, if like you have some issue, just like change the quality, I guess. Perfect. So we're just gonna keep moving because I'm short on time and I would really want to explain a lot of stuff. Cool. Good. Perfect. All right. Everything's fine. I put it higher and look great. All right. Cool. So put it higher, I guess. Perfect. So here we can see that we have two strong level, right? Like two strong trend lines. So like to actually understand what's going on, we're gonna move into like lower time frame, right? So here we can see that the market is about to reverse because, like I told you, it's some strong monthly and weekly trend line there, right? So I'm gonna try to like this, right? Made it HD for me, right? make it easy for me. Okay, perfect. So then between those trend line, right? Because this is the daily chart. So you already see where I went from to where I am now, from monthly to weekly to daily. But there's one more thing between two monthly. There's one weekly around like 50% of the two monthly. I like to put my weekly green, red. Sorry, green. So this is it. And this is actually what I'm saying. So, and we see that there's a strong level there. Like we see that the market is struggling at this level, right? So then when I move like on, for example, forward chart, I know where the market is going, because like it's not gonna go there like this. Trust me, the market will never just break and like go boom like this, right? The market now. And this is why I called on EuroCAD a sell, and this is why I'm trying and this is why I'm playing on EuroCAD, because like I know that a lot of people like are doubting about like this EuroCAD thing, you know what I mean? Well, look, if I put a strong resistance level, I like to put my lower time frame level there, like why? You know what I mean? Look, this level would actually make sense to me, right? And even lower, like the market might just reverse there, but like I still prefer to like put my resistance level higher, and I did put my sell limit because like I have like 3 or 4 entry now. I have one more at the I think wait 45 500 or 55. Wait, let me check on my cell phone, and I will explain you why I've put it there. I have one more sell limit on 1.45550. 550 there. Well, can you understand why I did put it there? Right? Because look, between two monthly there's a weekly, right? Between between a weekly and a monthly there's a daily. It's blurry, it's a laggy, just presents slower. All right. So you can actually see that the market there has a really strong level again, and this is why I did put another sell limit there, because what I'm expecting is that the market is still gonna go up there, might extend to there, but the drop's gonna be huge, and I'm really expecting it to go pretty low. I did put then like this is a trend line, right? But I'm gonna put it yellow because it's a smaller time frame, right? Cool. So how do you draw trend lines, right? You want to touch more important, like trend lines are like support and resistance level, but just they're not horizontal, right? So I want to put it like, look, for example, there it touched it 1 point, 2 point, the struggle is huge around there, then it goes, touch it again, and then rocket up. So I will actually take profit on the trend line. So depending where like the market gets stuck and how fast it drop, me, I did put my take profit at 144.000. So this is where I did put my take profit, and you're probably gonna ask me why I did that. I did that because if you look at the market struggled at this level, right? The market actually gets stuck on this level there. So I know that the market is gonna go back there, but I will be chasing for a buy somewhere around there because I know that long term, the market, if I extend my trend line to the left, look, my trend line to the left is stronger than my trend line to the right, okay? So I know that like there is less chance the market break under than the market break above. All right, I have some internet connection problems, so I just look. Like now I'm just back on the weekly chart, and can you see how strong the lower level is? Look, like in 2013, this trend line was good. In 2012 and 2012 also there. You know what I mean? So this is why I will be chasing buy, but now I'm chasing sell because I know that long term it's a buy, but short term it's a sell, and we're able to go get around like 150 pips on that sell, and on longer term we're able to go get probably a good like 300-400 pips on the buy. So this is why I will also be calling buys, but that now I did call a sell because this level is still strong, not strong as this one, but I think that there's one more push down to do before going back up. So I cannot see any comment on the YouTube webinar and stuff. So like if you have any question, inbox me on Telegram, and because like I get pop-ups when you actually text me on Telegram. So this is why, like, do you have any question for now? Do you want me to repeat something? Do you want me like, do you have any question? Because then I will be moving into the really like how do you mark your TP 1, 2, 3? I marked down my TP like within my TP. So what I mean, my TP is there, right? So this is why I would call TP between my TP. You know what I mean? To make sure that your TP hit, because my TP is lower, so it's a longer, like it's gonna take longer to the market to go to my take profit, but it will get there. So this is why I'm always doing the same take profit. You know what I mean? Like 30 pips is for short-term trader, 50 pips medium term, and 70 to above that is gonna be longer term. You know what I mean? So this is why I always give you a choice depending on what kind of trader you are and what kind of lot you are using. You're gonna choose by yourself what take profit you will actually like to go with, right? Me, I'm always going with my last take profit because I truly believe that if I said that, it's gonna get there. You know what I mean? Because there's a reason why, like I said, it's gonna go there. So now, how should you be playing? Like, how should you actually bet on my trade, on our trade, on your trade also, right? Like, some people have been asking me, Pierre, why are you like doing so many entries? Why do you do 4 or 5 entries? For example, look. For example, I want to put a lot size of 1.0 total, right? I won't enter the trade and go with a lot size of 1.0. I will enter the trade with like probably 4 to 5 small lot of 0.25, right? I never get in a trade with my full lot because the thing that happened is that, look, for EuroCAD, for example, right? It got stuck at this level, right? So when it got there, I think I called the sell yesterday because like I cannot know how high the market's gonna go. Do you understand what I mean? I prefer you to get there with a small lot and then take, for example, like 50 pips profit. Then I put a sell limit there and the market doesn't reach this level and just go down and we miss pips. So this is why there I said, all right, there's a resistance level. I'm going to call it out, right? Boom, and it went up. And I think I called the sell earlier. Well, anyway, so when the market went up, I did took a sell there and I will take another sell there. Do you know what I mean? All right. I'm just going to go take a quick look at the question. Hi, Pierre. What are the critical points or what do I need to make sure before sell or buy? I will get to it, right? So this is why I'm saying I always add, like the more the market goes up, because when we look at the market, we can see that it has been a long time since the market haven't been that high, right? The longer it was, the harder the drop is going to be, right? The more, like the bigger the drop is actually going to be, right? Because look, over there, for example. Have you seen there? The market was there like 12 hours ago, then it dropped. But the drop was pretty small. Look over there. The market haven't been that high for longer, right? the drop was bigger, right? So if you look over there, the market ever been to that level for like a few days, right? Boom, dropped like crazy. Look over there. If I put the arrow higher, boom, market didn't go to that high for a long time, drop like crazy. So this is actually what I'm saying. When, like, you have to look to your left when you do a chart. For example, look, we're just gonna go look at USD CAD, right? Quickly, and then we're gonna get back at it. Like, we know that the drop is gonna be huge because when we look at the daily chart, wait, it's laggy, I know it. Look how long the market haven't been to that high, right? Can you see it? Since 2016, March 28th. So we know that the drop is going to be quick and huge. So this is why I'm calling sell limit always, or buy limit. So can you see what I'm doing? I'm playing counter trend on every trade because it's a lot safer than playing with the trend. Because when you play with the trend, the market already started to go that direction. Do you know what I mean? Look, for example, that we look back on EuroCAD. Look there, right? The market dropped. Like there, you probably would have entered a sell, right? Somewhere around that level. But it would have been risky, right? Because your stop loss would have been 400 pips higher. Your take profit 500 pips lower. I mean, the risk doesn't worth the reward. Do you understand what I mean? But if I would have put there a resistance level, I see that the market struggle over there, right? So I would have put a sell limit there. My risk is low because if we take a look at this, look, boom, my stop loss is 150 pips higher. My take profit is 640 pips lower. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm looking for, right? Low risk trade. But when you go with the trend, you trade are riskful. You know what I mean? So this is what I'm saying. This is why I'm always playing against the market. So yeah, like people are, and this is why I'm telling you, you have to trust yourself, because if you cannot trust yourself, like, you won't be able to play against the market, because you have to be confident into your support and resistance and trend line to actually trade against the market. And this is what I want to build with you guys. Like I want to build like confident. I want to make you understand that like you can actually make it if you trust your trade. I actually start to win trade when I actually gain trust in myself, when like I actually started to say, okay, right, so there's a resistance and support level there, I'm gonna go against it and see what happens. And boom, I started to win money, to actually be profitable. Because before I was doing like pretty much like you actually are guys doing. Like, you see that it's going up, you buy. But why would you buy when the market is already going up? Wait, be patient. Put that resistance level. Like, try like to find a beautiful resistance level somewhere and say, all right, my resistance level is there, so I'm gonna put a sell limit there, or a support level. I'm gonna buy over, like, you know, like there. Look, I would have probably put over there a buy limit, right? Look, if I go on a smaller time frame, I'm gonna go on to that 1 hour chart. I don't remember where we actually were, but well, anyway, you oh wait, we're gonna get it. Look there, you know what I mean? I would have probably put a buy limit over there. But what I always do also, I check on the smaller time frame to adjust my higher time frame. So here, like, before doing that though, you have to actually do your trend line, right? Because like, I'm gonna explain it after, but we can see a beautiful trend line there, right? I'm just gonna remove the extension to the left. Right, we see that the market is bouncing. So over there, look, right? I see that the market is bouncing off this trend line. And I still have a monthly level. So I would have buy over there, put my stop loss over there, right? So even if on the longer term, look, we put trend lines. For example, we put a trend line like this, right? We would have probably got trapped somewhere. But like, look, if you put your two trend line, you see a channel forming, right? Goes up, goes down. So here you buy, right? Because there's a monthly level, there's a trend line. So you have to be confident. And you put your stop loss, for example, look, I don't know, 50 pips lower, right? And you will take profit on this, on the upper trend line, right? Because this is the 1-hour chart. So it is shorter term right there. So, and you would have made like 155 pips there. So then you wait for the market. You look what the market reaction is, right? Then you try to, you could actually just play with trend lines and actually make money. You know what I mean? Like most of the time, I'm just playing with trend line. Then like you try to draw like trend lines. So here, when like here, you can see that the market use the trend line as a support, then break into it. Then touch it, break. Whoop, here. You wait over there, right? You see that the market refuses it. So there, on the trend line there, on the upper trend line, look, I'm gonna do a beautiful circle there. You wanna sell. You wanna put a freaking sell over there, and you wanna put your stop loss. For example, you enter the trade there, 65 pips higher, and you wait and you look how the market react. No, and you could have made like a beautiful 450 pips on the 1-hour chart. So this is like a 1.5 day trade. No, look, 2 days and 6-hour trade. So within 2 days, 400 pips is awesome, guys. Do you know what I mean? So where do you figure out your entry and your exit? This is where you want to figure out. For example, look, I'm always trying to do triangle. So now we're just going to go and remove everything we just did. And this is something we'll actually learn. I'm doing my chart every day. I remove everything every day because maybe that yesterday I did something that today I would have said, wow, that was actually wrong. You know, do you know what I mean? If I keep the same chart every day, like, I mean, first of all, I don't learn. I don't see different things. So when I do chart every day, I actually learn every day, and like I can be more accurate on my trend lines, on my level, on my resistance and support level. So this is why I'm doing them every day. For example, that I play on a smaller time frame, right? Here, look, I would have put, like, when I do trade, look, for example, let's get like to a point where I can actually do it, because like now the market, we know where the market is going, so this is why it's harder. For example, there, I don't care. For example, like this, right? I will always actually try to do a triangle. There like this, over there like that. But like now I know that like it's not like this. Because like now we cannot do it like on the smaller time frame, because like EuroCAD is actually in a big ranging. Let's go on my other chart, GBP CAD. You will actually understand what I'm trying to tell you. Look, wait, the chart is about to load. Can you see over there what I did? I did a triangle there. Why? Because the market's gonna break somewhere, right? The market's gonna break above or under. But now, like I said, I'm gonna be looking for buy, because this is pretty much where the market is going. When I look at the longer time frame, daily time frame, monthly time frame, look at the daily, pretty bullish, right? Pretty bullish. So this is why, like on this pair, I'm looking for a buy there. So let's get back at the lower time frame. Right. Look. So the market's gonna break somewhere. Me, I will be chasing for a buy there, like somewhere around the under trend line, because I'm expecting the market to go up. But even if the market, like for example, goes there, even like if the market goes there, and then the market break under, I mean, I will actually close my buy, but like my loss will have been like, I don't know, because GBP's pair costs a lot of money. So this is why I wouldn't suggest you to play these pair if you're a beginner. You know what I mean? Play pairs that doesn't cost you a lot of money, because look, in that small time frame there, there's 80 pips. So I will probably put my stop loss somewhere like 60 pips below, right? But my take profit is gonna be there, 500 pips higher. Even like I could actually hold it on longer term, 1,000 pips higher, because I know it's gonna get there, but I would probably take profit between the 23% and the 38%, 900 pips higher. Where am I going to call my take profit on the Telegram? I'm going to call it 30, 50, and 70 pips. And then I'm going to call some longer EuroCAD go down. And this is what I'm talking about. And I will call like regular entry, because my goal is that people in that Telegram make money without taking any risk, because I know that 30, 50, and 70 pips are riskless. You know what I mean? Because my own take profit is 800 pips. So this is why I'm saying like you have to be patient and you have to put your emotion on the side, because like, trust me, like you will be in the red more often than in the blue, because we close the blue, right? And we keep the red. So this is why I'm telling you, like, you want to actually get a perfect entry. Remember that, guys. How to get an entry king. How to get an entry king. You buy on support, you sell on resistance level, right? You buy on lower trend lines, you sell on higher trend lines. Simple as it looks, right? The rest of the trading is in your head. It's your mindset. You know what I mean? It's how logic you are, Like me, I'm making money because it's like, the more irrational you are, the better it is. Do you know what I mean? So like, if the market goes up, I don't care, I sell. Do you know what I mean? This will look irrational to some people, but when you trade the market, it is rational. So this is why I'm saying, if you're new to trading, don't play these 15 and 5-minute chart. You will actually lose all your money within like a couple of days. Do you actually understand what I mean? Because you have to learn, you have to read the market and understand the market. You can look at these time frame and try to figure out what's going on with these time frame. But I'm telling you, look at the daily. Look, for example, we're going to do EuroCAD again, and we're going to do it the whole day. Look, first step, we're going to put some resistance and support level. All right, here we have a strong support, right? We're going to put it, I don't know, red, because I feel to put it red, right? And we're going to put the higher time frame. We have another level if you want to play there, for example. You see that the market struggle between those 2 points. All right, so now, is the market going up or is the market going down? We don't freaking know, because we didn't do our trend line, right? So now we're going to do a trend line, right? I have one beautiful trend line over there, right? I'm going to put it orange because I've put my line red. I don't want everything red. Right, my other trend line, right? Like, now people are saying, yeah, but Pierre, why are you putting it there? Because I want a strong trend line. And look, one point, the market struggle hard on this point. Another point there, the market struggle goes back up. Look there, the market goes it and not extend through it. Like the market does a fake out, because the market, the broker, and the market maker want you to lose money. But if you look closer, the market never broke it. You know what I mean? Never broke it. It just went to touch some stop loss, I guess, and then went back in. Because when you lose, they win, right? So be careful. So this is it. Now I know where the market is going. Now I freaking know where the market is going. The market is going pretty much on the higher time frame right now, nowhere, right? But if I take a quick look at the market does, if you take a quick look over there, lower lows, right? Market did some beautiful lower lows, but look there, the low isn't lower. So what does it tell us? The market is telling us, I'm doing a double bottom, guys, we're going up. The market actually called me and said, Pierre, you know what? Eurocat's gonna go up. So take profit, bro. Take this profit. Look, one bottom, price action, guys. Price action. Second bottom, and now the market is just like playing around. Gonna go back down, and then it will rocket. Trust me, it will rocket like crazy. I'm actually expecting 150 on the Eurocat, to be honest. So this is why I'm saying it's simple. You just have to try to get multiple like confirmation. If you're new to trading, go ahead and go on the higher time frame, because like the higher time frame shows you where the market in general is going. You know what I mean? Because if you play on that 1 hour chart or 30-minute chart, like, look, I'm just gonna remove that. You cannot actually tell me where the market is going, right? Look, it's like going up and down and up and down. Like, how do you want to know where the market is going now? The market's going nowhere on the smaller time frame. But on the higher time frame, the market is going somewhere. It's going up. So this is why my next Eurocad call is going to be a buy somewhere over the lower time frame, and I will be calling some crazy TP like 50 pips, 100 pips, 150 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips, because I know that after that I'm going to be expecting for the final actually push up there. You know what I mean? And we're going to get to that 146, you know, but on longer time frames. So this is what I'm going to call maybe like 8 TPs for smaller to longer time, like time frame, you know, like longer trade, depending on like what you actually want to learn about. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Whoops, sorry. Is it better to enter on a forward chart time frame? Well, no matter where your entry is, I normally do my entries on 1 hour chart, but I won't enter on the 1 hour resistance or support level. I won't put any like resistance or support level under forward. Like under forward chart, I don't want to hear nothing about it because it's not strong enough. You know what I mean? So the market's going to break it pretty easily, right? Because if you look around there, there's probably a, well, right. This is probably a level, right? And we have here a 1 hour level. But look how not strong is the 1 hour level there. I'm going to put a yellow because like this is actually 2 daily level. Between 2 daily level, there's actually a 4 hour chart level. It's always like that. Between 2 level at 50% or around that, you have another level. So due to the fact that it's 2 daily, it's going to be 1 4 hour level, right? And look how like the 1 hour like resistance there or support is weak. Like the market break it multiple times. So like I don't want to hear nothing about it. You know what I mean? But look at the other level there. Whoop, it gets stuck, you go back down. Whoop, go there, extend, go back down. You know what I mean? It's stronger level. Like I will be chasing stronger level because I want to take less risk and make more pips. So this is how I'm going to do it. Daily, weekly, and monthly level will never get break just right away. The market will always react or retrace when it's going to reach those levels. You know what I mean? So where would be my stop loss on this trade? My stop loss, depending on where, this is why I don't play with stop loss, because imagine that the market just like doesn't move till there. My stop loss is going to be there. But if the market rocket up, my stop loss is going to be higher. Do you know what I mean? So this is why like I call stop loss, because like I don't want you to blow your account, and like I want you to play in function of the stop loss, not in function of the money you can win. And this is something really important, guys. Remember that. Play in function of what you can lose, not what you can earn, right? If you know that your stop loss is 100 pips above and you have $1,000 in your account, 10% of your account will be $100. Make sure that you cannot lose more than $100 if it hit your stop loss. and make sure that you're gonna make more that you can lose. So for example, that my stop loss is 100 pips higher, my TP is better to be 200 pips lower. Do you know what I mean? Because if it's like 1-for-1, it doesn't worth it because it's risky, right? So this is why I'm telling you guys, make sure, first of all, leave your freaking emotion on the side, right? Because when you're in trade, you have to believe in your trade, right? Do trend line and do resistance and support level, simple as it look like, and this is it for my technical analysis. Me, can you see I'm not playing with like anything like that's called indicators? Because indicators are made to make you lose money, and trust me, that's freaking true. Because look, for example, right, we go take a look over there. Like, for example, I don't know if you know, guys, Stush RSC or something like that, or like just RSC in general. Look, my RSC right there. I don't know if you can see well, like, look there. You see that beautiful option. After the third candle, my Stush RSC is gonna be overbought, and the Stush RSC is gonna tell me, bro, it's time to sell. But the truth is that why would I sell when the market is in a beautiful uptrend? Like, I'm gonna wait for the resistance level. And the problem with indicators is that you can always blame them. For example, I actually take a sell there. It goes up. I lose money. I leave my trade $100 like in the hole. I'm gonna say, well, that's because my indicator was wrong. You know what I mean? But the truth is that no, it's your freaking fault because the market is always right, you know? And indicators are made by brokers, because remember something, brokers make money when you lose your money, because they are supposed to take your money and send it to the bank and make money on spread. But they take your money, they keep your money, and they hope you're going to lose that money, you know, so they can keep it all. So this is why they are actually like leaving your money in their pocket and doing everything to make you lose your money. And remember that, guys, I'm making money since I've quit using indicators. Because why? Because like, first of all, I was using, because first of all, like I said, there is a lag, you know what I mean? There's a delay, because like an indicator is actually a mathematic formula based on a past, right? So it's actually going to use the past, like depending like on the period you actually set, like maybe like 14 candle, 15 candle, 200 candle, like for like EMA and stuff. But the truth is that, for example, there, the market start going down. My indicator won't tell me till there, right? Because it take around like 2-3 candles for the market, like for indicators to actually react, right? But it's already too late. Look, it's already too late because I lost, because of my indicator, 62 pips. Do you actually understand? There's a lag. Yeah, you're going to get there. And probably like, look, you're going to get in a trade there. Then the market's going to go back up. So you're going to say, oh, shit. There's a dodgy. So the market is going to go up and you're going to close a negative, right? Or you're going to end up making like 49 pips, but your stop loss have to be 67 pips higher. Like, it ain't worth it. And actually, all indicators are like this. And I used to use like, actually like 15 indicator, 10 indicators. I was so lost in all these indicators that like I was never entering a trade, and like I was getting pissed, and I said, all right, you know what? I'm getting in that trade now because this indicator is telling me yes, and this one also, but this one is not telling me yes, but I don't care. You know what I mean? So I was getting in there like without any reason, without any good, truly technical like answer or confirmation. And I was ending up losing money because I was lost with all these indicators. Because like if I was listening to all these indicators, I would have never gotten into a trade. So this is what I'm saying. If you want to lose money, trust me, use this indicator. If you actually want to earn and learn, like the real way to trade, well, actually, like get with me, get in my team, and I'm gonna show you how to freaking make it happen. Because like there's, like I told you, a strong part of it, like 90% of your trading is going to be all about your mindset. How are you going to react to the market? Because the market doesn't give, you know, sorry for the word, but shit about you. You know what I mean? So this is why I'm saying it's important for you to stay neutral. If the market break the trend line, you close your trade. Don't wait. If the market hit your stop loss, just let it hit your stop loss. Because the way I'm working, before getting in a trade, I know where's going to be my take profit. I know where's going to be my stop loss. And I know where's going to be, what is going to be my lot size. And I know every sell limit and buy limit are going to be, you know. So when I get in a trade, I don't touch the trade anymore, because when you get in a trade, you get emotional. If I said the market's going to go down, for example, there, I'm expecting the market to go down there. Why would I close my sell there, my small sell there, because the market keep going up, if I knew from the beginning that the market was going to go up? Why? What changed that what changed to make me actually close my trade when I knew it was going to happen? Do you actually understand what I mean? So this is why I'm saying, when you get in your trade, you should know where's your stop loss. You should know where is your take profit. Because, you know, we get emotional on loss, but we also get emotional on gain. So what I'm saying is that, look, for example, there, my entry is probably in profit there. I could close my profit now and say I made profit. But why would I close my profit there if I said that the market's going to give me, like, I'm going to be taking profit there? Why would I change my mind and close like $1 when I can close like $100? Like, I've been waiting for days to get my profit there. Why would I actually wait days and make $3 to $5? You know? So this is what I want you to guys understand. We're not just emotional on loss. We're emotional on gain. And this is what you have to understand. Why would actually we be closed like a 5 pips profit? And this is why, like, there are some traders that actually are saying that they are good. But for me, calling a trade and making like 5 pips profit, it's not a win, bro. It's not a win. Me, if I don't get like above like 70 pips or around 70 pips profit, I don't count it as a win. Trust me, because like when I do all my analysis, I'm aiming for higher time frame. So this is why I'm playing higher time frame, but I'm looking at the lower time frame to make my entry. You know what I mean? To make like these entry king, you have to look on these lower time frame. You're gonna be chasing buy somewhere lower around there, and you're gonna be chasing sell there. You're gonna be chasing buy on that resistance level, on that support level, and you're gonna be chasing sell over that resistance level. Do you know what I mean? Simple as it look like. Simple as it look like. Now you have to set up your mind. No, that's it. You have to wait and be patient. Yeah, like, you're gonna be negative. Like now, we're negative on some trade, but I can still go to sleep in the night and sleep well. If you're not able to go to sleep in the night, I mean, that's because you overbet. Do you know what I mean? You're better to like bet small and constantly win than actually overbet and like win sometime, but you're gonna probably end up losing more, because the more you bet, the more emotional you actually become, right? So if you're a beginner or even an intermediate like trader, right, you actually want to bet small, because you have to gain that confidence. You have to trust every trade you get in. You know what I mean? And to gain that trust, you have to win trade. We don't care about the amount, you know. We care about the win or the loss. You know what I mean? Even when I actually close a trade in profit, if it didn't hit my take profit, it's not a win for me. It's a loss. Even if I made money. Because if I'm saying the market's gonna go there and it doesn't go there, I made a mistake, right? Yeah, maybe I took profit over there, and maybe I don't know. We don't freaking care about the amount, but like we did money there. But why did I say the market's gonna go there and it didn't get to that point? So I lost, right? Because I was wrong, because the market didn't go there. So this is what I'm telling you guys. You have to set your stop loss before you enter a trade. You have to set up your take profit before you enter a trade. You have to set up like where the market is going in general before you enter a trade. This is why I'm saying, even if you play on that 15 or 30-minute chart, you must know like where's the daily and weekly like the weekly charts going. Where is it going? Is it going up or is it going down? This is what like I want you to understand, guys. And just give me a minute. I'm just gonna plug my computer because it's saying like low battery. But you can actually during this time just like inbox me on Telegram and tell me like what you think about it, and like if you have any question, ask me now, because like now I can just answer it now. You know what I mean? So give me a minute. All right, I'm back. I'm just gonna go get on Telegram to see who did. Why did Skype open? Quit Skype. All right. Can you repeat the beginning process again to recap for all of us monthly? All right. All right. Thanks, Andronicus. All right. So this is it. Do I have another? Can you explain trend lines a little bit more? I struggle with entry exit. All right, this is it. Make it work, AJ, for me. All right, so before we keep going, is there any other question, guys? Sorry, I'm looking at the. All right, cool. So we're gonna keep going, right? So to do the recap there, we're gonna do it again, right? We're gonna remove everything, and this is what I'm saying, guys. You have to do your the best way to actually learn is to do it again and again and again. Like I'm probably 10 to 15 hours a day on my chart. Like I'm not sleeping. I'm with my student, making sure that they're becoming beast. I'm trading my own my own account. I have some like real life students, some private like near my hood student. I'm always on that trading, and you have to have a like if like you really want to like learn and be successful, you must have a patient. You like a patient for the trading. You know what I mean? Because like don't think that you would put money and you will actually win. And this is why I'm trying to make you understand, guys. When you lose a trade, every time I lose a trade, even like I said, even if I make money, if it didn't touch my take profit, it's a loss. I learned. Do you know what I mean? I learned why it didn't touch my take profit, why it did touch my stop loss, like what happened. You know what I mean? So I won't just like I won't say, oh shit, I lost money. No, because we don't care about money, guys. We're trading to learn, right? We are actually trading to have more blue in our history than red. The amount, we don't really care, right? We don't really care about the amount. We just want to like win trades. So this is why I'm saying you're way better to play with small lot and win small lot every time than playing big lots. Sometimes you're gonna win, but trust me, you're gonna get emotional with big lots. You're gonna get really emotional and you're gonna close in negative. This is what I used to do, and I lost a lot of money while I was doing it. Now I'm not losing anymore because I'm playing small lot. I'm adding up. No, I'm not playing with trailing stop because I want to take my profit. Do you know what I mean? If I said, all right, it's gonna go up 100 pips, I'm gonna take my profit and be reasonable at that 100 pip, because when you get greedy, you lose money. Every time you're gonna get greedy, trust me, I lost every time. When I call it take profit, it goes there. I take my profit and I'm out. I'm waiting for the next setup. There's gonna be setup every day, guys. Like, so don't rush in there just to rush in there and make quick money. Will you shift your stop loss to become a risk-free trader? What do you mean by will you shift your stop loss? Sorry, I'm French, so like I don't get everything. So while I'm waiting for your answer, I'm gonna be like getting to the basic, what I said, right? First step, monthly support and resistance. Simple. So my next one's gonna be around there. So we can see two strong level, got hit a lot. Then I will be looking for to put like at least one trend line because I want to know where the market is going, right? So this is pretty much it. And do I have one upper one? Somewhere like this, right? Now you're gonna say, Pierre, why did you put your trend line like this? Because we don't really matter, because it's a monthly chart, so it's gonna take so many time for the market to get there that we're gonna be able to change it when it's gonna get there. But look, it never broke it, right? Went there, went under it, under it, under it, always close under it. So then we're gonna move on to the weekly chart. We're gonna put one weekly level around 50% of the level. So I'm gonna put it there. I always prefer to put it a little bit lower because the market is under this level. So if I put a take profit there, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna reach it because I don't want to put it higher and expect it to go touch it and it doesn't touch it. So now we're gonna go straight onto the daily trend, and this is it. Now same thing, trend line, and this is why I'm saying like it's simple, guys. Like, did you see what just happened there? Like, took me like 5 minutes. The trend line, like now I know where the market is going. And when I put like I do my daily trend line, I'm gonna put it there, till there, right? So I'm gonna put it orange because it's daily, and this is it. I'm gonna put my other one like I've put it earlier, somewhere like this. You know what I mean? From there to there, like this. And now I know where the market is going. I'm going to be expecting a break up. If the market decides to break down, I will just sell till this level, and then I will be buying. And trust me, the market's going to go back up. You know what I mean? So this is what I'm saying. If the market goes up, I will win. If the market goes down, I will win because I'm expecting both ways. But like I said, I'm expecting EuroCAD to go up. You know what I mean? So to around, like I said, 149, 148, even maybe 150, but then it's going to go crash and go back down. So this is what I'm saying, guys. So this is pretty simple, right? So emotion, mindset is your key. This is the real struggle that you're going to have to face every day. Like, I used to be a salesman, and this is what, like, the mindset was my greatest challenge, because I had to deal with every kind of customer. And what made me a good salesman was that I was able to actually manage every client, every kind of customer that I had. And this is what I'm doing in trade. Every situation that happens, I don't panic. And most of the time, I don't even look at MetaTrader, like my application, because I don't want to see how negative I am or how in profit I am. So this is why I am using TradingView. First of all, because I can see multiple chart, I can see other chart. But like, one more thing before we keep going, because I just said I can look at other chart. Never listen to nobody. Remember something, guys. 95% of people that trade lose money. There's only 5% of the traders that are actually profitable. So why would you listen to people? Why would you listen to others when you know that 95% of them are wrong? You know what I mean? And you want to be different, right? You want to be the one that win. You know what I mean? So you have to actually think like more than that. You have to do your whole analysis and say, all right, I'm expecting that for that reason, and that reason. No matter what people are gonna say to me or tell me, I don't care, because my analysis is telling me it's gonna go this way. So why would you listen to them? Because like 99% of the time that I've been listening to them, I lost money. I quit my trade in negative and went in my direction. You know what I mean? So since that day, I said, you know what? Fuck that. I trade my own way. Like nobody, like never, like I don't have no mentor. I don't have like no like I don't have like one person that just like you know like that I'm really like his idol or something. You know what I mean? I just learned book. I just learned by myself by losing trade. Every time I was losing, I was like acquiring knowledge. This is my mentorship, you know what I mean? This is my mentor actually. Lost are my real and true mentor, you know what I mean? And this is what I'm trying to make you understand, guys. There's no better mentor than lost and failure. And this is not just good in trading. This is actually good in life in general. Everything you're gonna do, if you don't believe in it, it won't work. If tomorrow you just decide to open up your own company, but you don't believe in it, trust me, it will fail. If like you wake up in the morning and you say it's gonna be a shitty day, trust me, it's gonna be a shitty day. So this is why like when you get in my team and you pay that small fee to get in there, I'm there every day to make you understand and remember something. I'm there to make you remember that you are a freaking winner if you want to be a winner. You are the lion if you want to be a lion. But the problem is that like people doesn't believe in themselves, you know what I mean? So they doesn't believe in their trade also, because if you want to win trade, you must be confident. To be confident, you must trust yourself in life in general. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what like me, like I'm there like tonight to help you out for free and to make you understand technical thing, you know, to make you a little bit more confident. But trust me, it won't be enough. Like now, you know how I am trading. You know what I mean? And this is what I want you to understand. Yeah, now you have all technical like way that I'm trading, like triangle stuff, support and resistance, playing like on higher time frame and stuff. But are you gonna be confident like enough to say, all right, now I know it because like you've been doing one with it? Or no, you need somebody to remember you every day that you're a freaking king. And this is why I want you to get with me. And like some people have been telling me, yeah, but Pierre, like I can't get in your class because I don't have the money for you. My only answer is that go out there, work your ass off, and then come back to me and say, Pierre, I've been working for a month, for 2 weeks, and now I have that $100. And I want to learn, you know, I'm ready to give it to you. Just like to prove me that you like that you have the desire to actually learn, you know? Like to when you actually get in my team like this and you're paying that $100, I don't care about your money. Like I don't need it. I just want to see how bad do you want? How bad do you want to learn? Do you know what I mean? And because you're actually telling me, Pierre, I want to jump, like I'm all in with you. Like I trust you. And just the fact that you're trusting me, I trust you 1,000 times more. Like I don't, and this is not against anybody, because like I actually understand that just the fact that you move in our group, you want to learn about the market. But me, I want to work with the lion. I want to work with the freaking beast. You know what I want to build you up to be the best in the market. You know what I mean? So do you want to jump in there with me? If you want to, you might say yes now, but prove it to me. You know what I mean? And so this is why tonight I'm giving out 2 free passes to my VIP private student class, because like I know that it's not everybody that have the money to it, but even if you don't get it, because like I just have 2 passes and like we're about like 150% on this webinar right now. I mean, go out there, you know, work your ass off and come back to me and say, Pierre, I'm ready, I'm all in with you. And trust me, every day you will learn. You will learn. And trust me, every day I will remind you that you need to be confident. And every day I will be there sitting by your side and just like saying, all right, you did something good, you did something wrong. And like I won't be scared to tell you that like your chart ain't good and your chart is good. Do you understand what I mean? And this is why there's a small fee. It's not because we want your money, because I'm making my money by trading. It's just I want to see how bad you want to learn. You know what I mean? Because when you see some technical analysis, it's simple. The difference between me and the people that lose money is my mindset. I know that my English isn't on point, but trust me, my mindset is. You know what I mean? Like I'm actually about to start my company and stuff, and I know that everything I will do will work because I will put my freaking ass into it, and I will work hard enough to make it happen. Like till because look, for example, in trading, at first I wasn't making money. Trust me, I haven't been sleeping for weeks because I wanted to understand why I was losing money, why I wasn't able to make it happen. And I understood that, like, first of all, I wasn't able to trust myself. I wasn't confident. I was always asking for others' opinion about my trade. But then I said, you know what? I don't give a shit about it. And then I started to actually do my own analysis. I was losing money like a freaking bastard guy. You know what I mean? Like losing a lot of money. Like all my friends were just saying, Pierre, you should actually stop trading because you're losing money. I was like, yeah, but there's a reason why I'm losing money. I don't understand the market. I don't understand the market. I need to understand the market to make money, right? And slowly, I was losing more and more money, trust me. But I was learning the market. And then boom, I gained some confidence. And I almost lost it all my investment. But then boom, I learned. And now I'm profitable because I know that when I'm saying something, it's gonna get there. Like you might say, no, it won't. Trust me, it will. And since that day, I'm profitable. And like you can see it in the Telegram. And this is what I want you to guys to understand. Build that confidence. Work your chart every day. Like don't say, oh, today I don't want. How bad do you want it? How bad do you want to be like independent? How bad do you want like to live from trading? You know what I mean? Me, it's my passion. Like I wake up in the night to trade a London session. I go back to sleep 2 hours. I wake up for the New York session. I'm there every session because I like it. You know what I mean? I like to like have my student with me, to have my beast with me. And this is the kind of mindset you must have every day. So this is it, guys. This is it for tonight. And I hope you like the webinar. I hope you liked it, you know. And the way I'm gonna work for the 2 giveaway pass is that I want you to go on Facebook and post a comment on the page, like just giving out your opinion about the webinar, because I know that it's not everybody that's gonna do it, right? So this is why I'm doing this, because I want to see, like, I'm asking you something really simple. The people that are gonna do it are probably not going to be that 100% on the webinar. So if you do it, you have probably more chance to get your free pass than not having it, because I'm sure that only like not even half of it are going to do it. But if you really want it, I'm telling you guys, do it. And I will really like to get you on my side. So trust me, that $100, I don't need it. I just want to build up beast, and I want to see how bad do you want to be a beast, how bad do you want to rock the market with me. And like it's not just one day. I mean, we're gonna be rocking it for months and months and months. Like I want to have like my own family, my own team. I know that now we are like one big family, but I want my private, you know, my private team to show that we're better than the other one. Do you actually understand where I want to go? I want to go higher, and I want you to get like to that next level with me, because we have a lot like to learn together. Even you, I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to make me learn some stuff that I don't know about. Do you know what I mean? Like we're all different, we're all unique. You just have to understand and accept the fact that you are unique. You actually have to find out like your own trading style. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not because I trade this way that you're going to be trading this way, but I'm going to show you everything I know about it, and you're going to take this knowledge and like craft something to your own self, something that's gonna make you like more confident. Like me, trading this way make me confident. Does it mean that it's gonna make you confident? No, no. The goal, my goal is not to make you trade as I do. It's to make you trade to be confident. If like you're telling me, Pierre, like I like to be confident, I need to trade that daily chart. Then trade that daily chart, bro. If you tell me, Pierre, to be confident, I have like to play that 1 hour chart. Go ahead, bro. Trade that 1 hour chart. Do it. It's not because I don't do it that I won't tell you to not do it. You know what I mean? Do it. Like because the goal is just to build a confidence, and this is what I want to build with you. And at this point, you will finally be a beast and be a lion. You know, be like, and we're gonna be sharking the market like crazy. So enough talk. So now you know what like you have to do. I will be picking up the 2 winners tomorrow by the New York session probably. And if you don't win, Trust me. Like, show me that you really want to like learn. No, show it to me and trust me. I will work with you till you freaking make it happen. You know what I mean? Like, I'm telling you guys. Like, I have some big dreams and I will achieve them. Achieve them with me. So this is it. Peace.